there should be a battery of international lawyers. International lawyers who can file a case in the International Court of Law on war crimes against Israel. Whether you get results or not, you at least do it. If you are niyaz, Allah will give you sawab. So there should be an organization of international lawyers who are well qualified and well known, and see to it that you file a case in the international law. And we know that many years ago, Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, the former Prime Minister of Malaysia, he had made a Kuala Lumpur war crimes, he had made a Kuala Lumpur International Court where he put to trial Tony Blair and George Bush, who were responsible for the massacre done in Iraq, where hundreds of thousands of lives were killed and sanctioned because of which many children were killed. And he called international judges, international lawyers, and after the case, Tony Blair and George Bush did not come to defend themselves, etc. But after the case was done, there was a resolution that if the former president of USA, George Bush, or the former Prime Minister of UK, Tony Blair, set foot in Malaysia, they would be arrested. MashaAllah. So see what results. So we should have a battery of lawyers, seeing to it that whether we get results or not, we should see to it that we file a case against Israel for the war crimes and for the atrocities they did.